What if your next phone could unfold into a tablet, weigh as little as a flagship, and talk back to you like a personal assistant? Meet the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the world's thinnest, smartest, most powerful foldable yet. In just 60 seconds, I'm going to show you why Samsung's new foldable is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Foldables have come a long way, but the Z Fold 7 redefines the game. 8-inch main screen, razor-thin 4.2 millimeters unfolded thickness, 200 MP camera, next level detail, Gemini Live AI Assistant, talk, don't type, packs a bigger experience into a lighter, sleeker frame. At just 4.2 millimeters unfolded, the Z Fold 7 is 26% thinner than its predecessor, the slimmest in the Galaxy Fold line yet. Despite its slim profile, Samsung engineered strength with Armor Flex Hinge and Armor Aluminum while maintaining IP48 water resistance. Both screens run at up to 120 Hz with minimal creasing, and the improved 21:9 aspect ratio makes typing and app handling so much smoother. The main shooter matches the Galaxy S25 Ultra, delivering insane resolution and crop flexibility. Add in a 12 MP ultrawide with autofocus, a 10 MP telephoto, 3 optical up to 30 space zoom, and it's a photography powerhouse. Press the side button and meet Gemini Live, your AI buddy that chats, helps you edit photos, and even reads your screen. Galaxy AI features like Photo Assist, Audio Eraser, and Transcript Assist transform how you use your phone, editing photos, cleaning audio, summarizing speeches effortlessly. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Fold 7 delivers flagship-level scores, Geekbench 1-core at 3052, multi-core at 9735, on par with the S25 Ultra. It may hold the same 4400 mAh battery as Fold 6, but with efficiency tweaks it lasts almost 11 hours. Great, but not class-leading. Launched pre-orders on July 9th, went on sale globally July 25, 2025. Prices start at $1,999 for 256 gigabytes. It's being called the first foldable I'd actually buy, a major vote of confidence. TechRadar hails it as 2025's best foldable phone flagship specs with style. India saw 210,000 pre-orders. In just 48 hours, foldables are headed mainstream. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just a phone, it bridges smartphone, tablet, and AI assistant in one. It's slim, smart, and seriously capable. Think foldable is the future? Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what Galaxy AI feature are you most excited for. Think foldable is the future? Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what Galaxy AI feature are you most excited for.